In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Twitch stream title directly from OBS Studio. So if you're streaming on Twitch and want to update your stream title without opening the Twitch website, this guide will help you do it quickly.
First, open OBS Studio on your computer.
Once OBS is open, click on File in the top left corner and then select Settings. From the Settings window, click on Stream from the menu on the left-hand side. Now, make sure your streaming service is set to Twitch. If your Twitch account is not connected yet, click on Connect Account and sign in to your Twitch account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize OBS. After your account is connected, click Apply and then click OK. Now, if the stream information panel appears automatically, you can use it right away. If you don't see it, click on Docs at the top of OBS and then select Stream Information. A new panel will open inside OBS. Here you'll see a field labeled Title. Simply click inside the title box and enter the new stream title you want to use. For example, you can type the name of your stream, the game you're playing, or any custom title you prefer. Once you've entered your new title, click Done or Update to save the changes. OBS will automatically send the updated title to Twitch, and your stream title will be changed without needing to leave OBS Studio. That's all there is to it. Changing your Twitch stream title in OBS Studio is quick and easy once your Twitch account is connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more OBS Studio tutorials and streaming guides.